Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to unlock a Kia Sorento. First, let's cover the most common method, using your key fob. Simply press the unlock button once to open all doors. If your key fob battery is dead, don't worry. There's a hidden mechanical key inside. Slide the small release button on the fob to access it. Then, insert this key into the driver's side door lock and turn it to manually unlock the door. This is a reliable backup. Beyond the key fob, several alternative methods can get you back into your Sorento. The Kia Access smartphone application allows you to remotely unlock your doors from almost anywhere. Just open the app, select your vehicle, and tap the unlock icon. Make sure your subscription is active and your phone has a good signal. If these options aren't working or you prefer professional help, contact your roadside assistance provider. They can dispatch a technician to assist you quickly and safely. Sometimes a locked door isn't just about forgetting your keys. If your key fob isn't responding, the battery might be dead. Most fobs use a small coin cell battery, like a CR2032, which is easy to replace. In colder climates, door locks can freeze. Gently try to open the door or use a de-icer spray. Never force a frozen lock, as this can cause damage. A little preventative maintenance can save you a lot of hassle. In an emergency, when all other methods fail, it's best to call a professional. A certified locksmith has specialized tools and expertise to unlock your Kia Sorento without causing any damage. Avoid using coat hangers or other makeshift tools, as these can scratch your paint, bend door frames, or damage the internal locking mechanisms. For future peace of mind, consider having a spare key made and storing it securely, perhaps in a magnetic box under the vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.